Greetings to great listeners of Experts Life Coach and Health Arena. Greetings and welcome to that moment that counts. Today we are going to be discussing a very important topic which we call snoring. We have type of, it can be tongue-based snoring, it can be open mouth snoring, it can be nasal snoring, it can be throat snoring. Whatever type of snoring, they are a bit troublesome. And these have caused a lot of problems in homes and among relationships. What are the common causes of snoring? What are the risk factors? What make people likely to snore? What are these things? One, size. Once your body weight is very high, that means once you have excess body weight, you are likely going to snore. Two, sex. It has been found that snoring are 40% common in men compared to women. 3, excess consumption of alcohol. When you consume alcohol on a regular basis, it can also increase likelihood of person snoring. Again, when you have a divided nose, a divided septum can also cause it. Then congestion. When your nose is being congested, but when you have like flu or common cold, it can also cause snoring. Then sleepy position. When you sleep with your back facing, with your back on the bed, it makes your tongue fall back and can also cause snoring. Then sleep deprivation and some school of thought, also family history can also cause it. Then when you are tired, excessively tired, and especially when you deprive yourself from sleep, it can also cause snoring. What are the ways to help? Some of the tips. Disclaimer, this is not a treatment, this is a guide for you. If you are not getting better with this guide, see your GP or your physician. First thing you have to do, sleep on your side. The first way, sleep on your side. And one of the ways to help you sleep on your side is probably what we call a pouch, like a tennis ball on your back. So when you lie down on your back, you put it onto your side. That tennis ball has helped a lot of people. Then use of nasal strip, like something to hold your mouth, like mouth guards, have been found to be very helpful. Then again, elevate your head with pillow or elevate the head of your bed can also help. Then use of, if you have nasal congestion, treat for nasal congestion. Then quit alcohol, quit smoking. It's going to go a long way to help you. Then avoid depriving yourself of sleep. Avoid depriving yourself. Try and sleep enough. Then again, avoid sedative drugs and any sleeping medicine. Those can also increase the likelihood of snoring. When you have tried all this not working, seek the help of your general practitioner. Seek the help of your general practitioner. In summary, snoring can be quite disturbing and it causes problems